Hi, Busy Central and Power Platform cohort. With the latest Dynamics 365 Business Central 2021 release wave 1, we got the amazing possibility to consume custom APIs published from BC directly in the Canvas Power Apps. As we know, Power Apps are coming with some standard out-of-the-box Business Central connectors, but with this new release wave, we have possibility to publish a custom API using AI language in Visual Studio Code and to consume that API directly as a standard out-of-the-box connector in Canvas Power Apps. So in this short walkthrough, we will cover how to publish custom API from Business Central using Visual Studio NL, and we will also show how to build a Canvas Power App on top of published API and how to use Power Automate Flow to get the record from Power Apps to Business Central, and actually that API. So let's go. So the use case is the next one. We have a truck driver, and that truck driver should confirm the delivery actually happened. Truck driver would use Canvas Power App to confirm delivery date. In order to do so, we did first small development of posted sales shipment. And on the post sales shipment, we have a page which is called update document. If we go to this update document page, we can see that we did additional field, that we added this additional field, delivery date confirmation. So what we did, we added delivery date confirmation date type field into the page posted sales shipment from the table sales shipment header. Now let's go to our app. So here is the app. Simple example of the Canvas app where the truck driver will find the shipment for which delivery is done, click on that shipment and click on the button mark as delivered. When the truck driver finishes this activity, his task is done. Now let's go back to Business Central and let's see what is happening with our posted sales shipment. So we use sales shipment 102198. Let's go to this one. Let's go to see what is happening with the date. If we go here, we can see that delivery date confirmation for this posted sales shipment is now changed, and it's 8th of May, which is today's date. And this is how our example is working. But now let's check under the hood what is actually done to make this example working properly. Let's first go to Visual Studio and let's check what we have did in AL. First, we added table extension, just simple field, delivery date confirmation, field type date. So this is a new field in our table. Now, in addition to that, we have also added page extension to get that field to be visible in the page posted sales shipment. So here we have extended posted sales shipment update page with this delivery date confirmation, and we place this one after packing tracking number field. In order to have the API published with this new release wave, we have a possibility to publish API using AL and Visual Studio Code. And here is how we did it. So we created the new page, posted sales shipment API. Now, for this page, we set up the permission saying for this table data which is published to API, records can be modified. Page type is API. Then you need to put a simple version, it's version 2, API publisher. In this case, I'm using publisher, the name of the company where I'm working, and API group, just a simple example. Now, we are publishing actually, as you can see here, publishing the data from the source table. So we're not publishing the page, we are publishing the table. Because of that, we are using sales shipment. You can see entity caption here and entity name, and here we can see what was our source table. Now, in the layout, we are defining the body of the API and what will be beginning and end points for the API which is published and consumed in the API. So this is done, as you can see, pretty basically in AL in Visual Studio Code. let's go back to see our Power Apps. Let's go to Power Apps and let's see our app. So this app was built directly by using custom API. We'll go shortly to check that one. Before doing so, let's go to the app design to see how is this happening. So in this app, we have pretty much browse gallery one page, we have detail screen and edit screen. So the app itself is pretty simple, but for this app, we have also this button. This button is button that will reference to a Power Automate. So why Power Automate? So we created the flow that is going to do when somebody clicks on this button, truck driver, it will go to run, go to browse gallery one, get selected ID, which is actually unique ID of this record, and Power Automate will get the data into the Business Central. Let's go quickly to Power Automate to see this is our flow. Let's go to edit mode and see what is this flow doing. So let's start. Power Apps, this is flow which is triggered when the click on the button is done. First thing is get record. Environment type, environment we are using for Business Central, company we are using for Business Central, API category is a new API category version 2. This is a new feature coming with this new release wave, which is really fantastic feature because we now have possibility directly to communicate through API. Table name is sales shipment, and now ROID is get record from our app. What we are going to do is the next step. The next activity is to update the record. Again, using version 3 of this activity in Power Automate. Here we have to which environment, to which company, which API we are going to update, which table name and which ID, and with which data. So I will go here to show you just a quick expression I made. So this expression will just bring the today's date. Here you can see start of a day to see now that when the truck driver clicks, it will get the date, today's date. Now, the last part of this small short walkthrough is to show how did we create the app. App was created pretty simple. Let's go to apps, let's create new one, and let's go start from data, other data sources. And here I will use my connection to Business Central. And as mentioned in the beginning of the video, Business Central is coming with standard set of the out-of-the-box Business Central connectors. But we now created a new one, custom API, and we want to consume this custom API. This custom API is actually consumed as a standard Business Central connector. So let's find first our environment. This is our environment. And here in Choose Table, you can see the standard set of the all out-of-the-box connectors that can be used in Canvas Power Apps. In our case, we want to find the API we have published using Visual Studio Code and AL. So it is posted sales shipment. Let me use keyword from my company. And here it is, sales shipment. And we can see ripe demo version 2 of API. So ripe demo, if we go back here, we can see API group demo, and we can see API publisher ripe, API version 2, and also here we're also using version 2. If we click here and click on connect, all the hard work which was done manually when we use custom connectors for custom APIs from Business Central in the previous version before the latest update, now it's done automatically. Thank you for your attention. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Please reach out if you have any questions. Have a great day.